In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a plugin in WordPress step by step. So if you want to add extra features to your website and make it more powerful, let's dive right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. Plugins are tools that help you add new features to your website without coding. Now click on Add New Plugin at the top of the page. This will take you to the plugin directory where you can search for anything you need. In the search bar, type the name of the plugin you want to install. Once you see the plugin you're looking for, click Install Now and wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. After that, click on Activate to turn the plugin on. Once it is activated, the plugin will be ready to use on your website. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel.